This protocol allows students of any level to perform the synthesis of air-sensitive compounds, for example carbenes or their dimers or free radicals, using a Schlenk line and cannulas for filtration. Filter cannulas allow for the isolation of very sensitive compounds with minimal effort and a very low risk of contamination of the product.
What's important to remember is the use of dry and degassed solvents, dry glassware, and properly cycling the glassware when connected to the Schlenk line. A visual guideline is especially useful when navigating the workflow of, for example, the Schlenk technique or filter cannula techniques.
To begin, quickly transfer a hot, oven-dried 100 ml Schlenk flask into a dinitrogen-filled glove box. Weigh out iminium salt 1-prot and KHMDS and combine both in the 100 ml Schlenk flask. Equip the Schlenk flask with a magnetic stir bar and cap the flask with a rubber septum. Then, transfer the flask to a Schlenk line by connecting the Schlenk flask valve with one of the hoses of the Schlenk line. To another hose of the Schlenk line, connect a second hot, oven-dried 100 ml Schlenk flask capped with a rubber septum. Additionally, connect a Strauss flask containing dry, degassed diethyl ether to the Schlenk line. Turn the Schlenk line valves to evacuate and wait for the manometer to show a vacuum around 10 to the power of -2 millibar. Refill the connecting hoses with dinitrogen by turning the Schlenk line valve.